Oh no, it just stalled out. Shoot, I need to pick up my sister from the airport. Please start. Come on, baby. Come on, just start for mama. Don't leave me stranded here. This is what I get for driving with a check engine light on for a year. Please start. My sister is going to be so upset if I don't show up. Please just start for me. This happens too often with this van. It stalls out, I crank it, it's a lovely dance. I'm always replacing something on it too. This year it's engine trouble, last year was brake trouble. Took months to figure out where the air was getting into the system. Instead of pumping a brake pedal, I'm pumping a gas pedal now. Oh, finally. Let's get going.